A GST-registered tenant needs to pay a goods and services tax of 18% for renting a residential property. Click the link in description for more information. As per the recommendations of the 47th GST Council meeting, tenants should pay 18% GST on reverse charge basis, RCM, and later they can claim it as deduction under input tax credit. Abhishek Jain, partner, Indirect Taxes, at KPMG in India said, the new GST rule will increase the cost of every residential rent agreement where a registered person is involved in the transaction, such as a company or corporate. An additional 18% rent on rent the cost may be borne by either the company or the landlord, depending upon her commercial arrangement. Furthermore, input tax credit may be sought in respect of such transactions. For the personal use of the employees of the said services on the basis of being. The 47th GST Council meeting at the end of June decided to accept the interim report of the group of ministers on the reforms of duty reversal and exemptions. Prepackaged and pre-labeled retail packs including curd, lassi and buttermilk were brought under GST from July 18. The Council also decided to levy GST of 18% on charges charged by banks for issuance of checks, in loose or book form, to bring hotel rooms under 12% GST slab under Rs 1,000 per day as opposed to tax-exempt category at present. Hospital room rent, excluding intensive care unit, ICU, exceeding Rs 5,000, day per patient, without input tax credit, will also be taxed at 5%. The Council also decided to levy 12% GST on maps and hydrographic or similar charts of all types, including atlases, wall maps, topographical plans and globes. The GST on petroleum, coal bed methane has been increased to 12% from the earlier 5%. The tax on e-waste has also been increased from 5% to 18%. GST exemption on services provided by RBI, IRDA, SEBI, FSI and GST has also been withdrawn. The tax on scientific and technical equipment supplied to public-funded research institutions has been increased from 5% to the applicable rate. The GST Council reduced the tax rate on ostomy instruments including pouches or flanges, barrier cream, sleeves, irrigator kits, micropore tapes, stoma adhesive paste, belts, from 12% to 5%. It reduced the GST in orthopedic equipment, splints and other fracture devices, from 12% to 5%, body prostheses, other devices that are worn or carried, or implanted in the body, to compensate for a defect or disability, and intraocular lens,